Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and we've got some big XRP news coming your way in the next couple of minutes. Now, this channel, 5 to 6 minutes max, providing you value. And if you do like this channel, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't get to miss out on the latest information that's coming out. And today we got some juicy gossip to come out, where I believe this is going to be very important to XRP, where we're heading and what is happening. So Warren Davidson came out and said, "Thank you for corresponding my token taxonomy act. It's time to Congress to give this emerging industry the clarity it needs to continue changing the world of blockchain." So what does that mean? So what it means is that the bill to exempt crypto from security laws has been reintroduced in Congress. Now, this is version 3.0. This has happened again and again and again, and now we have a new version. There was a previous 2018 version and a 2019 version. But why is it important to XRP? I'm going to get there. So third time's the charm. Representative Davros has reintroduced the Token Taxonomy Act, a bill that makes certain cryptocurrency tokens and other digital assets exempt from US security laws. Now, this is huge, because what I think is going to happen is that this case is going to either be withdrawn or settled, like fast settlement, and we're going to go back into bull run mode and fly way past anything that all the XRP haters around the world have been saying for years. So if you do like the sound of that, hit that like button, because I sure do like the sound of us proving that XRP is not a security, getting clarity and heading towards the moon. So I've got a video to play for you, and that is from Paul Atkins saying that the new SEC chairman, Gary Gensler, could withdraw the lawsuit. So let's check it out. Let's see what he had to say.
Well, you mentioned the SEC case against Ripple. What do you think is going to be the outcome of that, and what are the implications for the industry?
We'll see. I mean, the SEC obviously worked long and hard on that complaint that they filed in court. It's a well-drafted complaint. I think there are problems with it and fallacies in their argument, but ultimately the courts will decide this. And I guess it's possible that an incoming chairman, looks like it'll be Gary Gensler, I guess he could withdraw the lawsuit, which has happened at some other agencies with the incoming administration with respect to other issues and other lawsuits. I don't know that that's likely to happen, but that's a possibility. But if not, the courts will adjudicate this issue. And ultimately, it may well go to the Supreme Court. And the one particular test that the SEC is relying on is an old Supreme Court case that goes back 50 years or so, the Howey decision that we all know, with its test on as to whether an investment contract is a security or not. And so that could be re-examined in this new digital age, where a lot of the issues around how we obviously date back to an earlier time. So we'll see how that goes in the courts.
So there you have it. So big news there from former Commissioner Paul Atkins, and Goldman Sachs has predicted that the explosion of use of digital currencies. So they've come out with their own article saying how now the adoption of crypto and just how fast this market is going to move, and they've got some of their own big plans as well around what they're going to do now in terms of Bitcoin and all that, and just some large institutions that are coming on board. I mean, we've heard already that Apple is seriously considering putting some large amounts into Bitcoin. So I think today's news has been very bullish for XRP and what is going to happen today. As far as the market, as far as what's been going on at the moment, the entire market is having a 4-5% correction today. So don't think too much about what's going on here, because it's happening to all of them. So it's not just happening to XRP. But for me, any day now, we could get that notification, that tweet, that message from Gary Gensler saying the case against Ripple has settled, and then we are going to skyrocket. So if you did like this video, if you learned something new today, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so very much. Can't wait to see you on the next one.